Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, in this video, I am going to explain what are the precautions need to be taken at the time of mating of sheep. If you are expecting to get super lambs, a super foundation ram is to be selected. This is the secret. For a flock of 100 plus 5 sheep, there shall be at least 5 healthy rams for exclusively for mating purpose. The male sheep or ram contributes up to 90% of genetic improvement of the flock. Therefore, selection of a good ram is of paramount importance. Rams are sometimes called as tups. The act of mating or season of mating in sheep is called tupping. A castrated ram is called a wether and a juvenile one is called as lamb trap. Under any circumstances, sheep shall not be allowed to mate with disease affected rams. While mating, appropriate care has to be taken and ensure that the sheep with no blood relation with ram is mated. If ram is changed for every 2 years, you will get good healthy sheep flock without any disability. If you take these kind of precautions, you can get good production. Thereby, you can earn very good profits. All the best, friends. Thank you.